On to other developments, Kenya Railways is procuring more passenger rolling stock to serve newly reopened and repaired routes amid rising demand for rail transportation.
Kenya Railways Managing Director Philip Mainga says that the rehabilitation of the Nairobi-Nanyuki, Nairobi-Kisumu and Nairobi metropolitan railway network has been necessitated as a result of increased passenger coaches capacity.
Alan Aoko compiled this report.
Rail transport is expected to reduce road congestion and enhance trade, with the meter gauge railway moving over 1.029 million tons of cargo in the 2024-2025 financial year. To enhance capacity, Kenya Railways has been repairing, reopening and setting up more routes on the meter gauge railway network. However, the demand is outstripping current capacity of wagons and passenger coaches.
Currently, the demand for our coaches, the one you see here, these ones actually are the ones for Western Kenya. But the demand for these coaches is now overwhelming. We don't have enough stock. Obviously now we look it through the government on how to increase the numbers.
Kenya Railways says new wagons will boost efficiency and connectivity. Speaking during the inspection of the Uplands Kijabe-Longonot railway line, whose operations were halted during the April 2024 rains, Kenya Railways Managing Director Philip Mainga said resumption of the service will boost passenger and transportation of farm inputs, farm produce, steel products and containerized cargo movements.
Totally to around 12 kalufats in total along the entire section. All of them have been done. What does that mean to us today? This is our final inspection to give a clean bill of operation for our line from today. And shortly after this train leaves, cargo trains are behind. They are now coming to pass through this section.
About 12 kilometers of the railway line along Kijabe was washed away, rendering the line impassable. The incident affected rail transportation between Mombasa and neighboring countries.
To restore all the operations for MGR from here to the region, and I have said earlier, the region has been waiting for us to open this. Our customers have been asking us when we are opening the line, and we are happy to have been inspected today and to tell our customers we are ready to resume operations as from today.
Full restoration of the railway track is complete. Protection works and training works will continue, even as train operations commence within the section. Alan Aoko, Prime Edition.